Hey friends, paano kung meron kang isang laruang pambata na hindi mo alam na nang-a-unalive pala to ng mga tao? This is a black comedy thriller movie called The Monkey. Tukol ito sa kambal na sila Bill at Hall na na-discover nila yung dating laruang monkey ng kanilang nawalang tatay. Akala nila nung una simpleng laruan lang to, pero nung inikot na nila yung nasa likod nito, nagsimula na ring isa-isang mawalan ng buhay ang mga tao sa paligid nila. Magmumukha lang tong aksidente pero yung laruan talaga ang may kasalanan kung bakit nawalan sila ng buhay. Makakaligtas kaya yung magkapatid dito? Honestly, this is more of a dark comedy than thriller for me. If you're expecting for a very thrilling and suspense movie, I don't think it is that thrilling of a movie or even suspense. But despite that, hindi nag-hold back yung movie sa pagka-gory niya at talagang magugulat ka rin sa mga pagkatsugi ng mga tao dito. Isipin mo para siyang Final Destination if Final Destination is a black comedy movie, gano. I also think that the movie is a metaphor about generational trauma. How you can pass on your pains and suffering sa mga anak mo without you knowing that you're actually giving pains and sufferings for your child. And that's why I really like this movie. So if you're looking for a black comedy thriller movie to watch, then check this one out. Also follow me for more movie recommendations.